fix incoming calls not showing on your full screen? Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your incoming call not showing on your full screen. So to fix this problem, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go to your mobile setting here. Once you are on your device setting, you have to go for your notification and control center. Then you have to go for your app notification and you have to search for the app that you want to enable the notification. Here you have to go for your phone here. Once you have checked your phone or incoming call has the notification turned on, if not, then you have to long press on that phone icon and go for the eye icon here. And you have to go for the notification and you have to enable this all notification here. And you have to allow the notification badge, floating notification, lock screen notification. So with the help of this simple step, you can fix your notification incoming call not showing on your Android phone. You can go and long press on your phone icon and go for the eye icon. Also, you can go for the clear cache here. So with the help of this simple step, you can fix your issue. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.